Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about sunken slabs. So how to create the sunken slab in Sketchup. So before going to that, we'll see the details of sunken slab. So what is sunken slab and where it can be applicable. So if you see, so this is the floor level. So from the floor level to, so there is a sunk by 350 mm or 400 mm, and here we can given the details of finishing also. So if you see this, you can understand. So block masonry work and glazed ceramic for 7 feet height. So these are the details of remaining. Okay, now we'll focus on how to create the sunken slab. Here we have given some uh, either we can give up to the beam bottom of sunken. Okay, now we'll create the sunken slab up to the beam bottom. So, and also if you want to see, so here you can observe. So this is an apartment level or floor level, and this is the sunk with the beam bottom. So after the concrete filling, you can see it looks like this. Okay, and where and all we can applicable means, it can be applicable means so at the toilet flooring and the wash area and the kitchen and the staircase mid landing. So if you want to provide the sunken in this area, we can provide the sunken slabs. Now we'll see how to draft in the SketchUp model. So before going to that, watch the video till the end and do subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos and click on the bell icon for regular notifications. Now I just made so these are the two openings. In between that I have given a planetary box, so that planetary box will be for the sunken. Okay, same we can create here also, but here we can create at the end of the balcony. Okay, so to create that, so first we'll draft one rectangular box. So from this corner to this corner, so I'll just press for extend for 4 feet and to this corner. Okay, so I just create this slab into the group, and now see this corner I can give sunk. So to create that, so first I have to create a beam bottom. Four feet height. Okay, and then create in a group, and also same beam bottom should be copied to the opposite side. And now from here to, so again we need to create the rectangular slab from one corner to the other corner, and also same as, and here I can give the thickness of the slab 6 inches. And now see, we can create at the sunken slab. So if you want to provide the wall thickness, we can give here. So go to the rectangle again, and we can give 1 feet by 6 inches. So to this corner we need to extend. Okay, and we can also create in a group. So before going to that, one second, we can just reduce the height. So from, just measure to 6 inches and draw a line this corner to here, and you can just delete the measured value and press pull. Or now we can draft one rectangle here, and we just now we'll just create this. We'll make a group. Okay, now see, we done a laundry box with the sunken slab. Now we can measure by using the tape. So how much? So I've given a 1 feet. So if you want to give, I have taken bottom of the beam. Okay, now by using the solid tool option, so if it is in unhide, you can open up by using the sandbox tool, or sorry, solid tools. Okay, so if you on the solid tools, it will be visible. So click on the solid box option, and in that there will be an option called union. So select on that union option or outer shell. So by clicking that, so after selecting one on one, it will be created in a, it will be joined the entire box. Okay, so we have created this in a multiple so that it's not selecting. So better, so we'll do undo. So I will just create this first as group, and again select the rectangle and just draft again. Now select this, select properly and create a make group, and now you can use the solid. So first, second, third and the fourth. Okay, if you want to join this also, you can join this. So like this we can create a sunken slab in SketchUp. Now at this top we can provide the railings, and in this part we can give the plantry, means trees like that we can provide. So I have given this in a balcony area. So if you want to create in the uh, toilet or any other places, there will be a different method. Okay, so for example, if you want to create, so I will draft here. So first draw one rectangle. So if you consider this is as your floor, and with the 6 inches thickness I'm giving. Okay, now select the rectangle and draw the sunken slab area, and give, just select the entire part like this and copy that by using the move tool. Hold the control key. So we need to copy at the bottom. By using the control key, you have to select first and copy one onto the other end, so it will be copied. Now by using the press pull option, you have to give the thickness of sunken. So I'm giving now 8 inches with the slab thickness, and now by using the press pull option, you have to give the sunk of 6 inches. So like this you have to create on the floor. Okay, now we can just add the thickness of wall. so it will be, I'm giving 6 inches. Now just join the lines and press pull to the beam bottom. And if you want, same process will be repeated on the top to raise the wall. Okay, and now we have to increase the wall thickness. So now I'm giving a 7 feet height, so like this. Okay, so if you cut the section through this, you can understand how to. So I'm just cutting the section. See, so this is the sunk we have done on the floor. Okay, so there will be a different process for that to create the sunken slab. Okay, so I think you have understand what is sunken slab and how to create that in a SketchUp. So if you want in remaining, you can check out my YouTube channel for remaining videos. And so if you cut the section on this also, you can understand. See, this is the sunken we have done. Okay, so if you can delete this, it will be proper. And if you like the video, do subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. And check the description for related videos of SketchUp videos, or you can visit my YouTube channel to get the more details of the SketchUp tutorials. And thanks for watching.